Making predictions is what our brain does all the time. As we walk, we are making thousands of predictions. The brain is predicting which signals to send to which body parts. During the World War, the army had to predict the exact angle at which a bomb was needed to be thrown, and then predict the positions where the bomb from enemy would hit. In ancient Egypt, they needed to predict the time of solar eclipse and the rain. If you look closely, every branch of human science has evolved around predictions. We predict so we can survive. Our brain's role is to make predictions for our survival. Our predictions are based upon what we have learned from the past. Here we present you with a series of videos on ancient secrets of prediction. The goal here is to learn the art of prediction using basic math and code. This domain is usually called machine learning. We'll start with concepts of basic algebra, such as solving linear equations and quadratic equations, and we'll automate it using code in Python. And then we will revisit the basics of differential calculus, and will gradually reach linear regression and gradient descent. Finally, we will work on our real-time end-to-end machine learning project. Note that we will not use any libraries such as scikit-learn or TensorFlow during this chapter. We will be coding most of the algorithms from scratch using Python, so make yourself comfortable with Python.